Alright, this is CEO Cliff. 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. 1, 2, 3 top. I'm going to try one of these Bowman draft lights. My hat swag? Yeah. Where did you get that Pinehurst hat, ABC Matt? That was cool. They'll be playing the U.S. Open here again in 2024, so in 2 years. The U.S. Open will be back in Pinehurst. What's up, Joey Ben? Good morning. Pedro Pineda and base. I guess we'll just focus on the black and white, the colors, and see if we can find an autograph. You never know. That's a nice one. Marcelo Meyer. I've been pulling that dude all day long. Parallel versions. Been pulling him all damn day. Oh, Keith, did you want to break on yours? Hey, we did find an autograph. Benny Montgomery. Black lava. Hey, it's not numbered, but it's definitely a short print. And Jacob Steinmetz. Ryan Cusick. There's another Marcelo Meyer. Pulling that dude all day, every day. Keith, you want to break the last one from this case, or you want to go from a fresh? I'll do yours next. This case or a fresh? TJ White. Mr. White. Hoglin and them. Chin Jung Lee. How big is that card? People are saying this is a biggin. Biggins, I tell ya. How much you guess that card's worth there, Chris Sports Cards? Chase Petty, Rakelvin DeCastro. Rakelvin. Cooper Kenny. Ricky Tiedemann? What in the hell kind of answer is that? Well, maybe a fresh, but I don't care. That means fresh. Sam Bachman. Sam Bachman. Chad Patrick is your lava black and white. Or it's not lava, probably. I don't know what they're calling it. It looks similar to the lavas from the other boxes, though. Similar. Not exact. Munoz. Alrighty, that does it for CEO Cliff. Next up, we'll do Keith's. Thank you, Cliff.